Okay, go ahead, Fernando. So this is how the car starts.
Yeah, parking.
Okay. So you turn the car off.
Reverse.
That's in reverse.
Yeah.
The car starts. You put it in neutral. Turn the car off. Then turn it on. Okay. Then
Drive.
drive. Draw. The car starts. Then S. The car starts. Okay. Put it in park. Park the car. Stand here. So this is the bypass, right? This is the relay. Okay. Okay, this is the relay. Oh, we can see it. Can you put the relay back on? So we were starting the car without the relay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now you start the car. Same thing, you put it in reverse, you put it in drive. Reverse starts. Okay. Okay. All right. Now we take the relay out. Okay. Start the car. So no more, no need for relay. Okay. He has to pay back. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Already. So this is the harness that bypass, right? You go in there, you go there, there, from here
Bottom.
to the starter. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
The bottom is right there.
Okay. All right. And this is the license plate.